Sorry, guys. I accidentally hit the end button. So that's in for this bathroom. So that's pretty much all the cabinets in the house. So that's done. Oh, let me get the windows over here. I don't want it raining in my house. Make sure, yep, all these are closed. I'll head downstairs. That one's closed. Let's close this one. This is already raining. They probably gonna be like, this bitch done came up there and closed these windows after we left them over. Alrighty. I'm not worried about that door. Everything else is pretty much closed. So yep. So this is gonna really look nice in my laundry room. It's funny how these cabinets seem to be leveled straight up and down, but some of the ones in the kitchen are not. And that bothers me, because when I come over here, it seems to me like they could have them backwards. Because I noticed the same thing in the other house too, that the cabinets weren't, those are fine. But the ones where they're like really, really close together, you can definitely see the gap, and you can see where they don't seem to be leveled correctly. So I think they're gonna need to work on that. Now these right here are fine. No, actually they're not. And I can see where that one is definitely shorter. So I'm wondering if they have them on backwards. It's interesting. Okay. Well, we'll get that worked out. So I'm going to head out for the day or the evening. Good to see my cabinets in. And these are all the doors that will be going in to the residence. These must be my closet doors. Oh, and I hate those things up top. I guess that's what they're coming. They must have came in today. I'm trying to figure out what dude was. Oh, this is the crown molding. That's what this is. This is crown molding. So we got a delivery of doors today. And it looks like, yeah, the stairway to the attic came in today, and the crown molding. So that's what came in today, or probably yesterday, more than likely. I don't know what those black rods are. So, okay. So that's all the update for today, guys. So, so it looks like they have also installed, so as you can see, my shingles have come in, And to be honest with you guys, I have forgotten what color I chose for these. They definitely have the gutters that goes around the house and right here on the front porch. This has been installed. I know it's kind of hard to see it on this video, but it's been done. So it looks like the only thing left, well, it's not the only thing left, it's quite a bit left. But yeah, but it's coming along. I didn't realize that when the shingles come, that they come as wooden shingles and that they paint them. I guess that's something, you learn something new every day, guys. You learn something new every day. So, but yeah, so that's the end of this update for today. I did get a chance to go over into the spec house, which is the exact same layout as mine. Oh darn, I can't turn you guys around. So it's raining. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video, guys. But yeah, but this is the update. So I'll talk to you guys later. Deuces.